Hey, what's up?
Hey, Chalade. I be right now. You get all the cash, so you know you call me. Hey, about the business I was talking about. I want to go to USA. You understand? I want to go to USA and do 1 or 2 shipments there. You understand? But I've applied for the visa over and over again, but I'm not getting it. Stop that! What you are saying? I said I need the visa. I need it very urgent. You understand? I'm not getting it. I need a visa. Yes, I'm with the money. I'm with a lot of money, you understand? Over 300,000 cedis, you understand? I'm not getting the visa. I've tried over and over. I've tried real estate and they are not sending me there. Oh. Okay, then I'll try those people outside there. They will help me. Alright. I'll try. You have a friend? No. Charlie, relax. I mean, I told you that I'll make you feel. If you give me the visa, I'll make you feel. You understand? Because, yeah. All right. No. Wait. Okay, I'll pass by. Yeah, Charlie, I'll call you. 1 minute. Leave her back.
And 1 minute. This
one to the boyfriend.
Hey, now they are asking what about you.
Charlie, after I apply you.
I apply now. Cover some movies.
Said, let's give me a break. I mean, have visa. I try. I'm on my TV, so real estate.
You may be saying no. I'm right. Yeah.
What are you saying? Okay.
Wait, not simple. The answer is
are you sure? Oh, as for money, I have the money. I have real cash, understand? In dollar, I have dollar and everything. I'm going some online business, you understand? So I have all the dollar.
Oh, bro, for you, I have the papa.
Alright, so
it's now it's all aggressive.
Alright. So where is it? I don't see it. You enter it. 059. No, I didn't say 555. I said 59. So you raise it. 059 559 06 29. Odogu.
How do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So you understand?
Odomba now.
I'm a flash. Odogu. Agya Nigeria. Yeah. I've seen it. It's a silent mode. So yeah. It is alright. Silent mode. So Charlie.
So if you're serious,
I'm serious. So only it's legit. You understand?
And you see, if you are doing something in this life, don't found.
So you don't have to match.
I want to speak English.
Alright.
If you want to do something, don't trespass.
Hey, call me, you understand? He'll call you, bro.
Odogu is your bad, your papa, Charlie.
I can't know about.
If you can't check, if I want to can you Odogu, you don't know, say, young. Sinamani. Friend. Nama kwa nukwa saying kwa nature to. Yeah, hello Sinamani. Chama Odogu bi no ha ti o. Bo be dey tomorrow. Can you know baby? Tomorrow like this or cover assem. Say big one assem. Yeah boy so boy at hey. It is okay, because I'm boy with the it will make you go much of background of fried pizza. It will make it fast. And so the old the salad. Oh, there's also that fix man. You know, do good at that day on. What I say, today. I can't remember if you okay.
When you say they are comparing my mini bank with the enemy.
Boys, wow, if I feel compare, I'm going to compare with you. It might be sharp package. It may be the More lie.
I know from my bed.
But I never come on.
I'm a last time.
Yeah, life is a minute.
Blah. Well, no crying.
But now what's up?
Friends, I'm in your life, man.
When I'm born, I'm out to the ways of the moon.
My bar, one who's quite over please can. Oh, and I didn't bow say fast. Anything.
Or do line, just papers.
See, Ben is their own friend. I'm on Chinese and one be shares in what I see. Moba, some I jump off Semia, Minka Chica, or someone who are neither. The Agya said about friends to cow. Papa, so remember the Bandana. Yeah, Pipes, what you say? Yes, any amount of discount. On a scout, I wouldn't even to learn out the question of the boy.
Yeah, yes, sir. Odo good. Odo boy, say that Odo good. Ha. We did stamp. Yes, I just baby, see how now. I just share shares. I just but see how.
Let's have yes, while you. And I have pie. You see, a bit. Yes, on top pass last time. Where no I want to do myself for man. I made your room. Boy, now try. Lela. You know, Judy.
So these people, they don't value their time. You told me that. So what's happening?
We are bringing you the man. The cinema is concatessive.
So it's 130. What's happening?
Both 130 is no difference.
USA, by this time they have to look good.
I'm taking you US.
Agya. Is he trying to rush us? I don't want to like.
I'm not TV.
We have a call. Now we have a sound. Yeah, we have a sound. I do my business on time. So there's the guy you're talking about. Sure. Where do you want to go to now? Let's go to Dubai. Yeah. Abu Dhabi or Dubai? Dubai. Let's go to Dubai. Yes. Want to see the Burj Khalifa? Let's go to Dubai. All right. So how much is your budget?
Roughly $10,000.
$3,000. You want to go to Dubai?
Yeah.
Man, $3,000 can't take you to Togo, man. You better recycle your mind and let me take everything for you.
So how much will we take to
Dubai?
Yeah.
To Dubai is $20,000.
All right. I'll do 20.
20,000. Ready cash. I don't want any check.
I'm ready.
Yeah, pay for 1 hour.
$20,000. Yes. All right. So how are you gonna send it to us?
Yeah. So I have to give you check. Okay, ready. We'll meet tomorrow, and I'll give you. We don't want check.
I can't work like that. It's either today or never.
I have a check of $20,000 in this. So the $20,000 is ready here. So I'll do it to you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's intact.
I don't want fake news.
It's intact. No fake news.
All right. So I'm gonna keep the money and the purse.
No problem.
So if you bring the rest, that's $5,000.
Yeah.
And then I'll give you the purse.
All right. So when I bring you, give me the visa.
Yeah,
Everything intact.
All right.
Okay.
So listen,
my waist. Take his
Passport.
His passport. So that.
You want to take this to the embassy? Oh my, come on, be serious. Let me check.
No.
So you're taking this to the embassy?
No, so let this. I can do that.
Okay. Another phone. Exactly. This is the kind of picture that I have, right? Right. So yeah, that's how I do my work.
All right.
Then you see my.
Listen, now I tell you, you see cinema speaking English, you don't speak English.
First, I'm going to wait.
You only actually.
No, be a passport picture. Why is it?
Charlie, who is it? Scan so what your mind? Now always scan.
Boy, I would say, I would say.
What are you doing?
Scan or say, it's not a kind.
Hey boy, Obama blame super.
And is it? Hey, what's okay?
Big boy, a big boy like me.
If you see no different. Cook for any need to be a
moment to fail in no China.